Hi, everybody. My name's Cece Ray, and I'm from FamilyPalette.com. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to get those cheap rates for your hotel visits. But first, do not call the hotel directly. They're going to give you the highest rates that they have. Even if you turn around and you say, do you have something cheaper that sounds high? They're still going to give you the highest rates. Number two, don't book your hotel room 6 months in advance. Now, there are some circumstances that you need to book fairly quickly. For instance, if you're spending New Year's Eve in New York City, yeah, you're going to have to book that hotel room way in advance. Or, say for instance, you're booking your summer vacation and you're going to Ocean City, Maryland in their season, high season, and you want an oceanfront room. Then you might have to book maybe about 3 months in advance. But if you're just visiting, say, a friend in Utah, you do not have to book 6 months in advance. The hotel does not know that you're coming, even though you do. So I would wait 2 weeks or even a week before your stay, because the hotel, if it's less than 50% occupancy, that's when they start giving those low rates out because they want to fill the hotel. Number 3, if you can avoid it, don't travel during high season. Wait. For instance, if you were going to Ocean City, Maryland, their season is between Memorial Day and Labor Day. No matter what, you are going to pay the highest rates of the year in that season. Wait till, for instance, after Labor Day. In September, the weather's still warm, you can enjoy the beach, everything's still open, but you're not going to be paying those high rates. Also, if you can, always travel during the weekdays instead of the weekends, because weekend rates are always going to be higher than your weekday rates. And let me tell you something else. Rates change hourly. They do. So when you find a hotel room at a good rate, book it. Because if you wait 24 hours even, that rate could go higher. Sometimes it can go lower, but it could go higher. So when you find that rate that's at a good rate, make sure you book it because rates change now. Let's get into the juicy part. How to get those cheap rates for your hotel visits. Now, if you look down below, you're going to see 2 links. To the second link, that takes you directly to hotelscombined.com. And if you click onto that link, it takes you right to their homepage, which is going to be the same homepage that you're going to see if you went through the link from FamilyPalette.com. This is the page you see first. Now, let's take a look at what we're putting in. If you look at destinations, I've put in Myrtle Beach. I love Myrtle Beach. Why not? Now I've put in the dates I'm leaving. I'm only going to be able to go for a couple nights, but hey, good to go. And now I put in, now once you hit search, all of a sudden you're going to see all these hotels, and this has all the lowest rates possible out there. Not just hotelscombined.com rates, all of them. Hotels.com, Zen Hotels, Booking.com, you name it, all the lowest. Another feature I like about hotelscombined.com is if you look over at the left, you'll see features. Go down there and now hit all amenities. Now, say for instance you are traveling with children and you want to make sure they have something to do and they want a pool. Go ahead, check it off. Maybe you like to work out in the morning. Why should you stop because you're on vacation? Check off fitness center. And as you do this, hotelscombined.com automatically will now show you the exact hotels that have the amenities that you want, still at the lowest rates possible. Nothing's changed. I love that because then you're taking control of your vacation. You don't have to sit there and wonder, God, I hope they have a fitness center, or, oh, I hope they got a pool because the kids really want to go swimming. Take control of your vacation, and this is the way to do it. Not only with the amenities, but with the lowest rates possible, because it keeps cash in your pocket. Make sure you visit FamilyPalette.com for more tips and tricks for traveling. You'll also find places to go. Maybe you'll discover something new. I'm